Guys, April 25th, 2024. I got a call from a lady. She got a leak on her, well, she's kind of a caretaker over here because I guess the lady died and they're selling the house. And I guess there's a leak from the hot tub. When they run the hot tub, I guess the guy went in there to check it out and is complaining about a leak on the hot tub. So I gotta go over there and see if I can find out what's leaking, try to fix it so they can sell the house. Lady died and it's in some other lady's name, and I know the lady that called me, she lives next door or something like that, so it's all in the family type of thing. But anyway, going to go over there and see if we can find out what it is and fix it. Might be an easy fix. Hopefully it's something that I can get to down in the basement. You know, when they go to sell a house like that, they send a guy over there and he runs all the water and checks to see if there's any problems with the units. And that's the guy that found the leak on the tub. I think it's one of those, like a hot tub type of thing. But I'm not 100% sure about that. Went over there, I had fixed the heating system, and fixed that a while back. Whatever it takes, I guess. Smalley's enjoying the breeze here, the window open. A little chilly out today still. It's probably maybe 52. Nothing crazy warm. Got my ladder here. Let's see if we can open this up in Cobweb City. See what the hell's going on here. The ground. Oh man, it ain't looking good. Holy shit. If I can get to it from up top, maybe, hopefully. Oh man, that's real. Gonna be hard to get to. They said it needs a new plug. Yeah, it's loose. This is loose. See how I'm tightening this? Well, if he filled it up all the way, that would have leaked.
Oh.
You can see how loose it was?
Yeah.
So he fills this up. There's a gasket behind there. He says it was leaking from the plug?
He just said, oh, it's just dripping a little bit. Probably all he needs to do is...
Well, let me see. We got a drain and let's see if it's leaking downstairs. Leaking right from that nut there. Yeah. I want you to tighten that. You got lucky. That's all flipping tiled up there. Still dripping. I think I got it. We're going to tighten that nut up. Looks like it stopped leaking. No, maybe not. No, she's still weeping. Alright, it's not dripping anymore. So we got that. Like I said, if it leaks anymore, we got to open up that wall.
Yeah.
That's going to be, you know, that's going to be part B.
Yeah.